Hello, this is Mark Alyn from ScanTexas. Today we're going to be talking about what is it about the Zebra ZD621 that makes it more future-proof for your printing needs. I'm going to focus on three things today. The first thing that we're going to do today is talk a little bit about the label peel option. For the first time that we've ever had in Zebra printers, this option is field installable. You would take this front plate off and put another little field installable module on it. It would separate the label from the liner for peel mode. Print one, grab it, and put it right on. The other thing we're going to do today is talk about how, if this printer normally came with USB, how we're going to field upgrade it to add Ethernet or wireless. Assisting me today is my trusty case knife from the home state of Pennsylvania. My great uncle used to work for this company selling knives a long time ago. Okay, so we're going to take the little plastic piece off. We're going to take our field installable Ethernet module and slide it in easy here. There you go. Then we'll put our little plastic plate back on. Okay, now we've got Ethernet. Supposing that we'd also like to add wireless to it. What we'll do is, again, use our trusty case knife to pull that module cover off. Just take the wireless module, slide it in, field installable Wi-Fi. Now, of course, you'd have to use a tool like Zebra Setup Utility in order to program the Wi-Fi settings, or one of the new Zebra Tap to Pair cell phone tool sets. For more information on how this printer can help you with your future-proofing your printing, your future needs and current needs, please click the link below.